Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel, your new go-to space for makeup, hairstyle and beauty tips. So here I'll be sharing the easy tutorial and glam transformations with you guys with some pro tips to help you look your best. Whether you're heading to a wedding, a party, or you just want that glow every day on your face. You'll see me explore stunning gush makeup styles with the oval eye and flawless makeup skin. Also, we can dive into the elegance of Asian makeup looks, the natural ones, soft glam, and cultural style. So, if you love beauty and creativity, like it's great to my channel, hit the bell icon. Let's get gorgeous together.